Welcome! I'm Lydia from Expert-Hive Freelance Services. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to understand the most common SPSS outputs even if you're a complete beginner. Let's start with the most confusing part for beginners, the p-value. Whenever you run a t-test, ANOVA, chi-square, or correlation in SPSS, the key number to check is the p-value. It tells you whether your result is statistically significant. If your p-value is less than 0.05, your result is statistically significant, meaning the relationship or difference you're testing is unlikely due to chance. If it's greater than 0.05, the result is not significant. Next is the frequency table, one of the simplest, but most useful SPSS outputs. Frequency tables help you understand how many times each value appears in your dataset. If you're analyzing age groups, gender, satisfaction levels, or categories, the frequency table immediately shows the distribution across your respondents. SPSS also generates charts, which make interpretation even faster. For categorical data, SPSS usually gives you a bar chart. For continuous data, you may see a histogram. In a bar chart, the highest bar shows the most common category. In a histogram, the shape tells you if your data is normally distributed, skewed left, or skewed right. And that's it. You can now read p-values, understand frequency tables, and interpret basic SPSS charts. If you want a full SPSS beginner to expert guide, drop a comment or reach out to Expert-Hive. Visit our website www.experthivetutors.com.